So this topic is one of the most tricky topics I found in the early career as a data analyst. So when I was learning about the data science, analytics, and I found this topic really tricky, but I had the difficulties understanding why we are gonna use this and how it works and so on. But at the end, it's not that hard as it seems at the first look. So let's say it's we're talking about the lambda function. So lambda function is called also an anonymous function. So it's kind of used in this certain context, like certain context as a momentarily function that you're creating within the certain line of the code. So you're not gonna store that function, but you're gonna use for the need-based kind of that moment-based scenario, right? Let's go and see what's that about, and you're gonna see it's at first you might find yourself in the difficulty to understand the logic, but believe me, it doesn't worth to worry about.